Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you on how you can set up Copilot Code Assistant in Visual Studio Code. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to head over to the extensions tab, which is going to be this one. And then you want to type for the GitHub Copilot chat. Head over to the official application, and then you want to click on the install button right here. So in my case, it's already installed. So all I have to do is to navigate through the Code Assistant. And now to simply use your GitHub Copilot Assistant, it will be this small button at the corner of your screen. This is basically the ChatGPT icon. Just click on it. It will open up the chat box for ChatGPT. As you can see right here, as of the moment, we are using the GPT 5.4. So just head over by typing your prompt. And then basically from there, you are good to go. As you can see, I've used this before to create myself my own tic-tac-toe game. Now, unfortunately, you'll have to have the subscription for the GitHub Copilot, but that's going to be it in terms of setting this up. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.